In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to connect your Spring store with YouTube so you can offer print-on-demand products directly to your viewers. By connecting your Spring store to YouTube, you'll be able to showcase and sell your products directly to your audience with YouTube Shopping. Viewers will be able to browse and purchase your products from several places on YouTube, including your channel store, the shopping section below your videos, video end screens, and even pin products on your live streams. And from the YouTube studio, you'll be able to manage, organize, and arrange your Spring products however you like on your channel. Hopefully you already have a Spring store, so let's head over to YouTube and go over how to connect your store and add your Spring products. The first thing we need to do is head over to the YouTube studio. To do this, go ahead and look up at the top right and click on your channel icon. From the drop-down menu, let's go down and click on YouTube Studio. This will take you to the YouTube Studio where you can manage your content, view your analytics, and access your monetization tools. If we take a look at the menu on the left and scroll down a bit, we should see the monetization tab. Let's click that now. Remember that in order to access the monetization tools, you'll need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program and your channel needs to be monetized. So from the monetization tab, you can access all of your monetization options on YouTube. To connect our Spring store, we're going to go up to the top menu here and click on the Shopping tab. Here's where you go when you want to connect a new store to your YouTube channel. Once you connect the store, you'll be able to manage and organize your products from here. So from the top section here, let's click on Connect Store and see what options we have. So currently on YouTube, we have the ability to connect our Shopify store, a Spreadshop store, and of course, our Spring store. They'll likely add even more options in the future, but since we're adding our Spring store, let's go ahead and select Spring. We can then go down to the bottom left and click on Continue. Next, you'll be able to read all of the terms and guidelines for connecting your Spring store to YouTube. Once you've read all the rules, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select the I agree to all of the above checkbox. You can then look down at the bottom right and click on Accept. From your Shopping tab, you should now see the product section with Spring listed underneath. But in order to finish setting up our store on YouTube, we're gonna need to head over to Spring. So let's look over at the right hand side and click the Go to Spring link. This will direct us over to Spring where we can create a new account. If you haven't joined Spring yet, go ahead and create your account and add some products to your store. But if you already have a Spring account, just look up at the top right and click on Login. You'll then be redirected to a Spring login page where you can enter your email and password. So go ahead and enter your credentials, then click on Login. And once you log in, you'll then be able to connect your YouTube account. So let's connect our YouTube account to Spring by clicking the Sign In with Google button. You can then select your account and the YouTube channel you want to connect to. Once you select your channel, you'll then have to provide Spring with certain access to your Google account. Go ahead and read over all the information, and once you're finished, you'll have to scroll down and select the last two checkboxes at the bottom as well. Feel free to read the rest of the information about data sharing, and once you're ready, go ahead and click on Continue. You'll then be taken to your Spring homepage. To make sure the connection went through, let's look at the menu on the left hand side and go down to the Integrations tab. From the drop down menu, let's click on YouTube. Here's where you can view your YouTube merchandise shelf and view your Spring store ID, your YouTube channel link, and your link status, which should now say active. So now that our Spring store has been connected, let's head back over to the Shopping tab on YouTube. To do this, let's go down to Settings here and click on the Go to YouTube Studio button on the right. You should then be taken over to your YouTube Studio. Just like before, let's look at the left hand side and go down to the Monetization tab. And from the channel monetization page, let's go up top and click on Shopping. In the product section, it now says you're almost done connecting your store. So let's go over to the right hand side and click on Finish Setup. And voila! My Spring store has been added to my YouTube Shopping tab. In the Products section, you should now see a link to the store that you just connected. And if I click on Quantum Designs, it should take me over to my Spring store. And in the next section here, you'll be able to see all of the products that you can add to your YouTube channel. But if you just connected your Spring store and you don't see any products yet, there's no need to worry because it can take up to 2 to 3 business days for YouTube to review your products for compliance. Once YouTube finds your products to meet their guidelines and policies, you'll be able to see them displayed here. So now let's hurry up and wait on YouTube and come back once my products have been approved and added. But in the meantime, if you need an easy way to create designs for the products in your Spring store, make sure you click the link in the video description to access the templates and tools available on Placeit. With Placeit, you can access thousands of t-shirt design templates that you can easily customize to create awesome designs for your products. To access the t-shirt templates, the mockup generator, and tons of other tools to help you build and grow your business, make sure you click the link in the video description to access Placeit, or head over to jasongandy.info. This is probably the easiest and the fastest way to fill your Spring store up with high quality products and designs. So it's been more than a few days now, so hopefully my products are now available on YouTube Shopping. So to check it out, let's head back over to our YouTube Studio. Remember to click your account icon at the top right, then go to YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. From your channel dashboard, let's look at the menu on the left-hand side and go down to Monetization. And from your channel monetization page, let's go up to the menu up top and click on the Shopping tab. From the Shopping tab, you should now see many more options available, including your products that have been approved for YouTube. Here you can see the number of products that have been approved and some preview images. Underneath your products section, you should see another box that says Display Products on Channel. In order for viewers to see your products on your channel and your videos, you'll need to make sure this is selected. Once this is turned on, your products will then be viewable on your YouTube channel. By default, YouTube automatically selects which products to display. But to select the products ourselves, let's click on the Create Own Selection tab. This will pull up a box showing you all the products that are available for you to sell on YouTube. The left-hand side column shows all your products, and any products that you move to the right-hand side column will be displayed on your channel. So to create our own selection, let's remove the current products by going up top here and clicking on Clear. And there we go. Now we can create our own selection by simply going through our products and dragging over any that we want to display. When selecting your products, make sure you select your most popular and the ones that are most related to the topic of your YouTube channel. Also, you can change this anytime, so feel free to try some different things out. Once you've added the products that you want to display to the right-hand side column, you can easily arrange them by simply clicking and dragging them to whatever order you wish. To remove a product, simply click the trash can icon on the right-hand side. So once you've selected and arranged your products, go down to the bottom right and click on Save. You should now see a preview of the products that you selected in the box here. Keep in mind that you can have up to 30 products displayed underneath your videos and on your live streams. Also, once you've connected Spring and added products, you'll automatically get a Store tab on your YouTube channel homepage. We'll be checking out the Store tab shortly, but if you wanted to share a link to your Store tab, you can simply copy it here. So now that my Spring store has been connected and I've selected my products, let's check out the various places on YouTube where viewers can purchase my products. First, let's check out one of my videos. So now when a viewer clicks to watch my video and scrolls down just below my description, they should see a new section displaying my products. And when a customer clicks one of the products underneath your video, they should be taken directly to the product listing page on Spring. So now let's head over to our YouTube channel homepage and see where else we can view our products. If you check out the top menu on your homepage, you should now see a tab that says Store. When a customer clicks this, they'll be able to see all of the products that you've selected to display on your YouTube channel. Remember that you can update, remove, or rearrange your products anytime that you wish from the YouTube Studio. So that's a quick overview of how to connect Spring to your YouTube channel and how to manage and arrange your products. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.